Okay, I don't know what teachers are doing with this MCQ. They're literally butchering it, taking 20 minutes to solve this MCQ. Let's just quickly demolish this, right? So an element has two isotopes of relative isotopic masses x and x plus 2. And you know, how do you calculate the AR? He says, what is the relative atomic mass? How do you calculate the AR? It's the mass number times the abundance, right? And you take all the isotopes, take their mass number, times it by the relevant abundance, which is the percentage or the frequency, and then you divide it by the total abundance, right? The total percentage or the total frequency of those combined isotopes. So you're saying you have two isotopes. It's basically calculating a mean, you know, it's an average, right? A weighted average. So the diagram shows the composition of atoms in the sample of element. What is the AR? What is the relative atomic mass of the sample of this element? Now, how do you go about this? Which two isotopes do you have? One is X and the other one is X plus 2. So how many X's do you have? How many X's? They're given, these are the relative isotopic masses, right? So X is the relative isotopic mass. And what is the frequency of X? Which means how many X's do you have? What is the abundance? What is the percentage? It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So X multiplied by 9, mass number times the abundance, plus mass number, which is X plus 2, times the abundance. How many X plus 2s are there? How many X plus 2s are there? There are 3 X plus 2s. And then divided by the total abundance. What is the total abundance, everybody? Total abundance is not always 100. In this case, it's given in the form of these number, right? So 9, you have 9 X's and you have 3 X plus 2s. So in total, how many, what is the total abundance? 9 plus 3. That's what? That's 12. So that's the total abundance. You know, don't rote learn things. 9x plus, and then you just solve it. 9x plus 3x plus 6 divided by 12. It's literally algebra. 9 plus 3, that's 12x. 12x plus 6 divided by 12. And then you know your mathematics. 12x plus 6 divided by 12. You could say, hey, let me just break this down. 12x divided by 12 plus 6 divided by 12. I can literally do that. 12x divided by 12 plus 6 divided by 12. You know, what do you get? X plus 12 and 12 cancel out. So x plus, and that's 1 over 2. So x plus is 0.5. 1 over 2 is 0.5. And boom shakalaka, what do you get? You get A as the correct option. Yeah.